In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and customize a versatile video gallery within your Wix website using the Pro Gallery feature. This engaging addition allows you to showcase your video content in an eye-catching manner, enhancing the visual appeal of your site and keeping visitors engaged. Our journey today is broken down into 3 straightforward parts to make this as seamless as possible. Let's dive right into the first part by incorporating the Pro Gallery itself. Once you're in the Wix editor, you'll see the Add Elements button on your screen, conveniently represented by the plus icon. Click on that, and a world of possibilities unfolds for you. Scroll down until you spot Gallery, and from there, select one of the layouts available under Pro Galleries. Depending on your site's theme, Pinterest-style grids or carousel layouts are available to choose from. To place the gallery onto your page, simply drag it to the desired location. This approach allows you to make the most of the visual space on your website, ensuring your content stands out to visitors. Now, with the Pro Gallery secured onto your page, it's time for the exciting part, adding your videos. Click directly on the gallery that you've just integrated, and a Manage Media option will pop up. By selecting Add Media at the top of this dialog, you're given the flexibility to source your videos either by uploading directly from your computer or by embedding them from popular platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. This aspect is particularly useful if your content's already hosted on these platforms. A nifty trick here is that you can select multiple videos to upload simultaneously, which is a real time saver as you build out your gallery. With your videos now uploaded, we move into the personalization phase, where you can really let your creativity shine. Your gallery should not only represent your brand, but also enhance the overall aesthetics of your website. Start by customizing the layout. By accessing the gallery settings and navigating to the Layout tab, you'll find options such as grid, masonry, or slideshow. Each of these has its own advantages, so feel free to experiment with them to see which best suits your design vision. Furthermore, explore the Advanced tab for video-specific settings, such as enabling autoplay on hover, looping videos for continuous play, or adjusting playback speed. These little tweaks can significantly impact how visitors experience content on your page. Finally, under the Design menu, you'll find options to modify the borders, spacing, and other visual elements of the gallery itself, allowing you to polish its appearance to perfectly align with the rest of your site. And there you have it, a fully integrated, customized Pro Gallery for videos on your Wix site. This thoughtful addition not only showcases your video content beautifully, but also elevates the overall visitor experience. By following these detailed steps, you'll create a visually appealing and highly functional gallery that's sure to impress. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.